Let's learn animals' name. Some farm animals and some wild animals. The first one is a hen. This is a hen. There are a lot of animals. The next one is a lion. Lion is the king of forest. The next one is a dog. Dog is a farm animal. The next one is giraffe. Giraffe is a wild animal. The next one is a donkey. Donkey is a farm animal. This is a sheep. The next one is a cat. Cat is a farm animal. The next one is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. A cow. This is a cow. The next one is gorilla. Gorilla is a wild animal. The next one is a duck. Duck is a farm animal. The next one is a T-Rex. This is a T-Rex. T-Rex is a wild animal. The next one is a rooster. Rooster is a farm animal. The next one is a leopard. This is a leopard. A lioness. This is a lioness. The next one is a camel. The next one is a tiger. This is a great elephant. The next one is a leopard. This is a tiger. The next one is a dog. The next animal is a rhino. This is a rhino. The next one is a horse. This is a horse. The next one is a sheep. This is a